Hello guys, and thanks for watching DIYs and Crafts. The crafts in this video are very cheap, or can be made using household items. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more. Hi guys, I'm back with another video, and today I'm going to show you how to make DIY glass magnets. These are very easy to make, and are great for personal gifts, or to add a little colorful touch to your board. This is an updated video of one of my previous videos of how to make DIY glass magnets. I hope you enjoy. If you'd like to see these magnets or any other types of magnets on my Etsy store, be sure to email me at leawayartisans@gmail.com. The first thing you're going to need is a picture, or a picture from a magazine of your choice. Mod Podge 3-dimensional magic, glass gems, which you can purchase at the dollar store or any Michael's or JoAnn's, scissors, E6000 glue, and also a magnet and a mini wooden dowel. First, cut out the section of your picture that you want to use to make your magnets. Next, place your glass gem on top of the area that you chose to make your magnet, just to be sure that this is really what you want. Put a little drop of Mod Podge on the back of your glass gem. Use your mini wooden dowel to spread the Mod Podge around, just to make sure that it's even. Place your glass gem on top of your selected area. Make sure that you press down firmly, just to make sure that your picture sticks to the glass gem. After it dries, simply cut away the excess paper. Use your E6000 glue to glue your magnet onto the back of your glass gem. Make sure that you press down firmly, just to make sure that they're securely attached. It's as easy as that. This is a fun, easy craft, and also great to do with kids. Once again, if you'd like to see these magnets or any other magnets on my Etsy store, feel free to DM me or email me at leawayartisans@gmail.com. I'll also put the details in the description. And as always, thank you again so much for watching. Thanks for watching! And don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Don't forget to check out my website at www.etsy.com/shop/Leawayartisans. Follow me on Instagram at bnwart_Leaway or on my Twitter at Leawayartisans.